how to add a profile photo on Twitter. Follow this step. To start off, launch the Twitter app on your phone. Next, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner to open the side menu. From there, click on Profile to view your current profile page. Now tap the Edit Profile button located at the right side of your screen. Under the Profile Photo area, click on the camera icon. From the menu, either select Take Photo or choose Existing Photo. Once you have chosen your option, just select or take a photo. Then adjust the photo to fit the profile frame. After making your adjustment, hit Use at the top right corner. Lastly, hit the Save button on your profile to confirm the change. Finally, your new profile photo is now live on Twitter, and that's all. This is how to add a profile photo on Twitter.